My name is Paolo. I have been part of PFMeccanica for several years, actually from the beginning, since it was founded in 2006.
Sono Nicola.
I am Nicola. For PFMeccanica, I follow sourcing, order scheduling, and quality management.
La qualità.
I mainly follow the technical aspects, therefore what concerns the programming of the machines. Furthermore, I interface with the technical department to verify the feasibility of the drawings, in case there are any critical issues, and possibly modify them together.
What makes a quality product? Surely the traceability of raw materials. In fact, for each construction lot, we store the material certificate and dimensional protocol.
We have high-tech machines, up to 6 axes. They are fully managed by a CAD/CAM software system. This allows us to minimize errors, to make components faster, and to achieve quick response time to manufacture spare parts.
Our components are made with state-of-the-art machinery and technology, with qualified and constantly trained personnel.
For PFMeccanica, quality control is essential. We have created a metrology room, where in addition to the traditional control instruments constantly certified, we also have a measuring machine.
About the quality, tracing materials is very important. There are certificates that we need especially for the use we are having of new alloys and materials increasingly technological to meet the needs of the PFM group.
To summarize, cutting-edge technology, quality, and speed of processing are our main strengths.